What is going on, everybody? Thank you for joining me in this 5-minute workout. Okay, this workout is triceps only. We're doing 2 moves, 1 minute each, and we got a 1-minute warm-up. Okay, you will need a pair of weights or 2 of the same weight heavy objects. All right, here we go. We're gonna bring it on down to the ground here, starting with some push-ups, just to warm it on up, warm those arms. You can modify the moves if you need to. Okay, you can drop to the knees, work those push-ups right there. All right, the main focus is just doing what you can. Okay, we want to warm those arms up. All right, nice and easy. Exhale that breath as you come on up. Inhale, you come down. Knees or toes. Again, you choose. Again, this is just that warm-up, okay? So we don't need to push our bodies too much right now. All right, just getting that blood flowing, get that heart rate going. Warming those arms up. Again, knees or toes. You choose. Okay, if you ever need any breathing or need a break, you're welcome to take it whenever during the workout, okay? So again, this is just 5 minutes though. All right, so I want you to feel that burn though, okay? I want you to do as much as you can without stopping. All right, just a few more seconds. I'm gonna go into our first move, working some dips. Flip it on over, hands right behind. Work those dips right here, okay? Feet can be down, right here. Bend those elbows towards behind you. Or feet can be out, a little more challenge, right here, okay? All right, or anywhere in between is fine. Main focus is just to bend those elbows, bring it on up. All right. And if you have like a chair or something, you can have your hands on that chair to give you a little bit more clearance. All right. But again, it's up to you. 30 more seconds. Exhale that breath as you come on up, okay? Feel the back of the arms, skin, feel them burn. Again, short workout, 5 minutes. Push that body, build that strength. All right, 10 more seconds. All right, next move, working some tricep kickbacks. You're gonna grab those weights, hinge at that hip. Back is nice and flat, bottom sticks back, elbows are bent, palms towards each other, push back right here. All right, so my neck, I'm not bending it all the way down. I don't want my chin going down towards my chest. I want a nice neutral spine. So I'm fairly looking straight, maybe at an angle. Exhaling that breath as I push that weight back. All right, so getting that weight as far back as you can. All right, then choose your weight. If your arms get too tired, you start losing that form, go ahead and drop to the weight. Just working no weight, okay? That's okay. Focus is extending that arm all the way behind you, okay? Squeezing that tricep. 15 seconds. All right, then we go back into those dips. One more time of each move. Keep it breathing. All right, bring it on down, working those dips once again. Shake those arms out if you need to. All right, right here, last round. Good job, everybody. Yeah, you got this, all right. Feel that burn. Again, you can have those hands up, or those feet all the way out. Bend those elbows. Or find a little balance. Shake those arms out if you need to. All right, then you get right back into it. We got 30 seconds left, all right. Feel the burn. Last as long as you can. Keep it breathing. All right, again, extending those arms as far up as you can. Okay, getting that real good squeeze on that tricep. 10 more seconds. Then we're going to final kickbacks. Great job, everyone. Keep going. All right, bring it on up. Take those arms out real quick. Grabbing those weights again. Tricep kickbacks. Back is flat, bottom sticks back. Palms towards each other. 90-degree elbows. Again, don't use any momentum, okay? We don't want to be swinging, okay? We're not swinging that weight behind us. Nice and controlled here. Feet shoulder width, nice and balanced. Core is engaged, okay? We're not forgetting about that core here. Nice and easy. 30 more seconds, okay? Final 30. Great job. Feel that burn. Working the back of the arms, triceps, okay? Good job, everybody. All right, this is a good way to burn that underneath the arms. Okay? Toning those arms up here. All right, go ahead and relax. Great job, everybody. Go ahead and put that weight down. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. Swing those arms. Shake them out. All right, gonna reach those arms up. Okay, give yourselves a hand. Great job, everybody.